What is going on tonight, YouTube? We got another new release from Destroy Rebuild Until God Shows. We gotta check it out. It's called Gold. Very excited. Got a music video as well. Always a good time. We'll see what we have tonight on this track and some tier 3 patrons. We have Hunter, James, Ian, Marissa, Austin, Charles, Zachary, J. Alexander, Levi, Jan, and Diego. Thank you guys all so very much. I'm ready. Let's get right into it. See what we got here. Oh snap, okay. Ooh, crank it. Oh, this sounds so good. Wow. Wow, okay. Wow, that is amazing. Yeah. Gosh. Beautiful. Don't take this the wrong way. I'm getting Backstreet Boys vibes. Millennium album. Oh, dude. I don't know why. It's so good. The vocals, come on. Wow, the effects. This is so good. Amazing. Yes. Holy. With the lead guitar. This is insane. Oh, okay. Oh, so catchy too, but that was epic. Golden buzzer. America's Got Talent. Come on, it is so beautiful. Wow. You gotta be kidding me, man. That was so good. You felt something from that, dude. I did. Oh man, that was amazing. You guys, that was seriously amazing. Seriously, so good. Destroy, Rebuild Until God Shows here with their brand new track, Gold. Absolutely beautiful, man. Craig, come on. Amazing vocals. Seriously, what more can you say? Hitting the most satisfying notes. That moment in here when they were building up to maybe like some sort of a breakdown, not exactly sure what it was, but the lead guitar came in so strong. And it was like harmonizing with his voice, or he was playing off the tone of the guitar. I'm not sure what was going on. Those two blending together in that moment was just like taking it to the next level. The whole song was amazing. At that moment specifically, I was just like, oh, dude, it sounds too good. It sounds too good. I freaking loved it. Drum work, the bass, the guitar, again, the lead guitar coming in there. It was absolutely amazing. A really just satisfying, good feeling song. Loved the gold falling down in the video as well. And yeah, I don't know about the Backstreet Boys comparison now, but it just, for whatever reason, I don't know, for whatever reason, it was reminding me of those days so long ago when I listened to the Backstreet Boys growing up. So I guess that's cool. I don't know. Amazing song. Can't wait to listen to some more. As always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one.